Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are doing fine today. We are learning chapter 1 titled Numbers, and today we are going to cover two properties of numbers. Grab your pencil, notebook and your countdown. Dear students, let's have a quick look at the contents of today's lecture. Today we will arrange 4 and 5-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. All these activities will make you more familiar with numbers up to 10,000 or 5-digit numbers. Let's start off with our first topic, ordering of numbers. After practicing comparison of two numbers, you are now able to arrange many numbers in different orders. There are two possibilities of ordering the numbers. One is ascending order and the other one is descending order. Ascending order. Ascending means increasing. When numbers are arranged from smallest to the largest, they are said to be in ascending order. There are some rules in order to arrange numbers in an ascending order. The first rule is find the smallest number. Second rule is find the largest number. Third rule is compare the rest of the numbers. And lastly, starting from the smallest number, every next number should be greater than the previous number. Let's have a look at an example here. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. We are given 4 numbers. First, we identify the smallest and the largest numbers. You can see the underlined numbers. In these two numbers, 53,760 is the smallest number and 67,603 is the largest number. As we have identified our smallest and largest numbers, we have to compare the rest of the numbers and arrange them in an ascending order, which is from the smallest to the greatest. Finally, the ascending order will be 53,760, which is the smallest one. The next number will be 57,306. Next number will be 67,036. And the last one will be the largest number, 67,603. Let's have descending order now. Descending means decreasing. When numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest, they are said to be in a descending order. The rules are the same as for the ascending order. The only rule that is different is that we start from the largest number. Every next number should be smaller than the previous number. Let's have a look at an example for descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. As you can see, we have identified the smallest and the largest numbers. 42,506 is the smallest number out of these 4 numbers, and 52,755 is the largest number. As we have identified the smallest number and the largest number, in order to arrange them in a descending order, we have to arrange them from the largest to the smallest manner. So the descending order will be 52,755, The next number will be 52,056. Next number will be 42,650, and the last number will be 42,506, which is the smallest number. If you have any queries regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you.